will study a very important question related to the image. Okay, you see here. The question is, suppose that this is a line x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. This is the question, x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. And the question is, if there is a point P 1, 2, then find the image of this point in the line here. Suppose that in this question, this line will behave as a mirror, and the image will just form behind the mirror at the same distance. Suppose that this point is P dash is the image of the point P 1, 2, whose coordinate is 1 and 2. Then the image of this is alpha beta. Suppose that this is alpha beta. Since the image is just formed behind the mirror, then the intersection of the line joining P dash and the line will be as a midpoint. So this is the midpoint. Suppose that the coordinate of the midpoint xy. Okay? So here you can find midpoint xy equal 2 plus alpha plus 1 divided by 2, beta plus 2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint mxy. Okay? Now see, what is the slope of this line x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0? Here x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Now minus 2 equal 2y equal minus x plus 7. We can write here. So this is equal to 2y equal x minus 7, y equal 1 by 2, x minus 7 by 2. And if we will compare this as a y equal mx plus c, then m equal 1 by 2. Here the slope of this line is 1 by 2. Then what is the slope of this line P dash? Then the slope of the line P dash M1 M2 equal minus 1, since P dash is perpendicular to line given. Here it is given 1 by 2 into M2 equal minus 1, then M2 equal minus 2. Here I have find the slope of this line P dash, this line 1 by 2, and this the line of slope of the line P dash minus 2. See here. Since these two lines are perpendicular, so the product of this slope will be minus 1. Okay? So first of all, the slope of this line is, beta minus 2 upon alpha minus 1, slope of this one, into minus 2, this is alpha, slope of the line P dash, into slope of this line 1 by 2 equal to minus 1. There is no use of this slope. Okay? So here we can write beta minus 2 equal minus 2 alpha minus 1. Then beta minus 2 equal minus 2 alpha plus 2. So beta plus 2 alpha minus 4 equal 0. And this is the equation 1. See once again here. Here what I have done, the slope of this line P dash equal beta minus 2 upon alpha minus 1, and the slope of this line is 1 by 2. So since these are the perpendicular, then the multiply of these two is -1, and after simplifying we get here beta plus 2 alpha minus 4 equals 0. This is the first equation in terms of alpha and beta. Now once again here, you know this is the midpoint and this midpoint lie on the line, so this midpoint will satisfy this line, and here mxy equal alpha plus 1 by 2 beta plus 2 by 2. So just satisfy this line by the point mxy, because mxy lies on the line x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. So here x is alpha plus 1 by 2 minus 2 beta plus 2 by 2 minus 7 equal 0. Here the LCM is 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled out. Alpha plus 1 minus 2 into beta plus 2 minus 14 equals 0. Again simplify this one. Alpha plus 1 minus 2 beta minus 4 minus 14 equals 0. Alpha minus 2 beta minus 14 and minus 4 minus 18 plus 1 minus 17 equals 0. This is the equation second. Here we have get two equations. The first one is beta plus 2 alpha minus 4 equals 0. See here beta plus 2 alpha minus 4 equals 0. This is the equation first. Now to solve this equation, just eliminate beta or alpha. Here these are the opposite sides, so multiply this equation by 2. Then from 2 plus 1 into 2 equation is alpha minus 2 beta equals 17, and 2 is multiplied here, 2 beta plus 4 alpha equal 8, and since these are to be added, okay, so beta and beta cancel out, 4 alpha 5 alpha 17 or 3 20 or 5 25. Here 5 alpha equal 25. You can see find alpha equal 25. So alpha is what? Then alpha is equal to, since 5 alpha equal 25, then alpha equal 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Okay, here we have get the value of alpha. Then to find the value of beta, put the value of alpha in any this equation. So here from first beta plus 2 alpha minus 4 equals 0. Put the value of alpha here. Beta plus 2 into 5 minus 4 equals 0. 10 minus 4, that is equal to plus 6 equals 0. Beta equal minus 6. So here I have find the value of alpha and beta, and therefore hence image of P12 is E dash alpha beta is equal to 5 and minus 6. This is the answer. This is the required image of the point. Okay, so you can see here, this is the required image of the point. Have a look and make a note, and I hope everyone is clear about this question. This is very most important question, and everyone will try to solve this question and will understand very carefully, because this is very important question from the examination point of view. Okay students, thank you.